What's up, you guys? Welcome to Dogecoin Chaos. They say hindsight is 20/20. And while that's true, the famed German author and poet Charles Bukowski once said, regret is mostly caused by not doing anything. And while missing Dogecoin has definitely created a feeling of regret inside my soul, I decided to take the high road instead and learn from my mistakes rather than getting drunk and falling off of a boat. So what is Dogecoin? Why is the price skyrocketed? And what does all this mean for you?
I think Dogecoin can really be the next currency for the world.
Well, I mean, there's currently a poll to say, what do you want?
I want it to go. I'm in.
All right. So then, I think it should be the will of the people, you know?
So real quick, guys, you can now trade Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies over at Webull. If you want to get 2 free stocks, just click the link in the description below to sign up. Also, one quick favor, guys, I really need your help to get this deranged Doge to stop shaking uncontrollably. I asked him if he wanted a milk bone, but he said the only thing that could get him to stop is for you to pound the like button. So with that being said, what is Dogecoin? Dogecoin started off as a joke in 2013 by a guy named Jackson Palmer, who at the time was a product manager at Adobe. And he began joking around about the crypto craze that was taking place at that time.
You started Dogecoin as a joke on Shiba Inu memes. I remember those flying around there. Much funny, very crazy.
Wow.
No, that's not what actually. But why did you start this first of all?
Yeah, so I was really fascinated by cryptocurrency markets back in 2013. 2 and 2 together one day while I was sitting down back in Sydney, Australia with a beer and said, I'm going to invest in Dogecoin. I think that's the next big thing. And it just, next thing it went viral on Twitter.
And in December of 2013, Jackson actually bought the domain Dogecoin.com. Soon afterwards, Dogecoin began trending on Reddit, where it caught the attention of software developer Bill Marcus. He contacted Jackson to get permission to build out the software to make Dogecoin into a real cryptocurrency. By December of 2013, the coin was launched, and within 2 weeks of its debut, the value had already jumped 300%. Fast forward to April of 2021, and Dogecoin has a market cap of $10 billion.
2021 is rapidly shaping up to be the year of the Doge, as Dogecoin traded above the 40-cent mark early in Doge Day, but then
and its trading value was between 5 and 8 cents. Not bad for starting off as a joke only 8 years earlier. Currently, there's about 128 million Dogecoins in supply and growing every day. Each year, 5 billion new Dogecoins comes into circulation. This puts Dogecoin at an inflation rate of about 4%. But is Dogecoin a real investment? That answer would depend on who you ask. The founders are at a complete loss for what has taken place. Just listen to this.
So how does it feel to see something you created now being put on the moon soon?
Yeah, I don't know what that means yet, but I did have a Newsweek article where they asked me about Elon Musk, and that's basically what I said. I said, well, I think it'd be cool if he put a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon, and I guess it's happening, so sweet.
In fact, Jackson Palmer, who left his own company in 2015, had this to say: we don't really want there to be a Doge to US dollar transaction exchange. As a digital currency, I think it's important for it to remain its own kind of internet bubble. With no end to the supply of Dogecoin, he thinks it will deter the price of the cryptocurrency rising any further. He also went on to say that he thinks the Dogecoin theme has helped to make the currency less intimidating and more accessible to newer investors. So why has the price of Dogecoin skyrocketed recently? To explain this recent activity and price rise of Doge would be like trying to explain the fascination with TikTok to a senior citizen.
Do you know what TikTok is?
I should know. It's brand new. I saw it on my computer a couple times, but I don't know.
It's really, really popular, but I'm not quite sure why.
There is really no basis for the recent events that have taken place with Dogecoin. Doge is not backed by any government monetary policy. Its recent rise cannot be explained by some fundamental technical analysis. There's been no bad publicity, no corporate merger, or no news about a CEO that has sparked the recent rise in price. No, It's actually much simpler than that. Yes, Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies, for that matter, are completely at the mercy of social media posts and celebrity endorsement. I find it amazing that somebody can type one sentence online, and because they just happen to have a big social platform, the market reacts at record speed and with insane volatility. Case in point, this last month with Dogecoin. For example, Elon Musk tweets out everything to the moon. He also tweeted that Dogecoin may be his favorite crypto. It's pretty cool. He tweeted things like, "It's inevitable," with a massive Doge rolls over a current financial system. Dogecoin is the people's crypto. No highs, no lows, only Doge. SpaceX is going to put a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon. And a picture of a rocket to the moon. Now, these types of posts create such confidence and artificial hype around a cryptocurrency that is not backed by any type of law. This is just literally someone with a huge platform that can change a product, or in this case a currency, and make it blow up overnight off of one or two posts. To add to Elon Musk's post, you also have Mark Cuban, the owner of the Dallas Mavericks, Shark Tank star, who also wrote that Dallas Mavericks have begun accepting Bitcoin, and they've done 20,000 transactions Bitcoin already, making them the largest Bitcoin merchant on the planet. Then you have Gene Simmons, the famous rock star from Kiss, on Twitter saying, "Whoop-dee, Dogecoin skyrocketing to the moon." And you have another celebrity, Snoop Dogg, who may just change his name to Snoop Doge, saying, "You're definitely going to be able to get my NFTs with Dogecoin, you hear me." To add to this, earlier last week, Slim Jim gets in the mix with a tweet video that they released saying that Slim Jim's going to the moon with Dogecoin. Now, I like this for a few reasons. I'm always down to dip into a Slim Jim. Oh yeah. And I like how Slim Jim is capitalizing on this market hype and creating brand awareness at the same time. So good for them. But no doubt that Elon Musk, Gene Simmons, Slim Jim, Snoop Dogg, and Mark Cuban tweeting about Dogecoin like they have been in recent months has created a media surge and a frenzy in buying Dogecoin, thus driving the price even higher. But is Dogecoin a real investment, or is it just a fun cryptocurrency that has a dog on it? It stands for everything that people want these days. Decentralized financial independence. They want to get away from banks and big financial institutions. They don't want government regulations, and they don't want a middleman. People want something at the end of the day that they can just feel comfortable with, you know? And if you look at all the coins out there, Dogecoin is an easy shoe-in. Either way, Dogecoin, like all cryptocurrencies, is very volatile, and a meme or a tweet could run the value up or crash it down all in the matter of minutes. So it's very much like gambling. The founder, Bill Marcus, went on to say, the main problem he sees with this cryptocurrency is that people are buying it to get rich. And if you time your purchases, you most certainly can. But that type of investing is not sustainable. Any investment that is 100% tied to social media posts, be it positive or negative, tend to be extremely risky. And I would proceed with caution. So what does this mean for you? With the news of Coinbase's $100 million valuation earlier this week, this only adds validity to the surge of cryptocurrency and to Dogecoin's rise in price. And getting people who were not interested before to get interested in a fun, lighthearted currency like Dogecoin. This combined with Coinbase going public is what I believe to be a shift in the way that people view money and what people want from a cryptocurrency, which is decentralized, no middleman, no regulations, privatized currency. Just ask yourself this question. What am I investing in Dogecoin for? Is it just the emotional high of a currency that is fueled by tweets and celebrity attention? Or are you in this for a bigger reason other than just cashing on artificial market hype? Would you buy Dogecoin at the price that it's currently at? Now, I know in the last couple days, it's actually dropped down. I mean, think of it this way. You not selling it is like buying it at the price that it's currently at. Either way, if you sell it sooner and the price goes up, you're going to regret it. If you hold on to it and the price tanks, you'll regret that too. So my suggestion is this. If you choose to invest in Dogecoin or any other cryptocurrency for that matter, make sure you understand the risks of investing in the digital age of social media where brands and celebrities get behind a cryptocurrency or a product to gain brand awareness for themselves. And a positive or negative tweet can make or break that cryptocurrency in a matter of minutes. Oh, real quick guys, if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel and you have not heard of vidIQ, then you need to click the link in the description below. I signed up and I love the analytics and the information that they give me to help make my channel grow. Look, regardless of if you buy Dogecoin or not, be sure to do your own research and make the best decision possible. Do not risk money you can't afford to lose, and always remember to pound that like button.